What's up, good people? I hope y'all are ready for another exciting day of trying to see if we can find some deals and get some investments. Y'all ready to ride with me? Well, go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. All right, y'all, made it to the first house, so let's go ahead and let's run some numbers. This house is currently worth $339,000, and it has a current debt owed on it of $149,000, which leaves a total profit and equity of $190,000. Once I got to this house, it looks like this house was completely vacant. It looks like the utilities are still on, so somebody is probably still going back and forth to this house, but currently it's vacant. I can see through the front door that no furniture is there. All of that stuff is completely gone. So it's either one or two things going on. The person just completely abandoned the property, or they may be potentially putting it up for sale. Let me get it out. Potentially putting it up for sale so that they can sell the property. So what I'm going to do now is since nobody looks like they're living here, I'm going to try to reach out and do some research to try to reach out to the owners to see if I can create a win-win scenario for them, or just to find out what's going on so that I can see if there's even a deal to be made. All right, so I'm going to do my research on this one, so I'll follow up with y'all on this one. So let me ride out and go to the next house.
That body for me, what, work it. Drop that. Get it.
All right, y'all, made it to the next house, so let's go ahead and let's run some numbers. This house is currently worth $80,000, and it has a current debt owed on it of $26,000, which leaves $54,000 in profit and equity. Once I got to this house was completely abandoned. I mean, the door was open. I didn't take any additional pictures because before I do that, I want to go and talk with the owner or see if I can locate anybody dealing with this house before I begin to do anything. But a lot of times when people leave houses like this and people are like, man, that's a really bad house, as an investor, you need to learn to say, man, all I see is opportunity. The yard needs to be cleaned up. The inside needs to be cleaned out. I can do some cosmetic things here or there. I can take a good $15,000, $20,000 and turn that equity into profit for me, right? And so what I'm going to do is, again, try to find the owners to see if I can create a win-win scenario, because with that equity in the house, I think I can create a really good deal for me and them. So let me put my Sherlock Holmes hat on and see if I can find the owner so that I can turn this house that looks like it's a dilapidated house into not the eyesore of the neighborhood. Because if you look around this neighborhood, all the other houses around it have been pretty much fixed up. And so if you take this house and do what you need to do with it, it can turn into a good profit maker for you. All right. So again, I'm going to try to see if I can find the owner for this house to see if I can turn it into a deal. So now I'm going to ride out and go to the next house.
For me, what?
All right, y'all, I made it to the next house, so let's go ahead and let's run some numbers. This house is currently worth $63,000, and it has a current debt owed on it of $17,000, which leaves $46,000 in profit and equity. Once I got to this house, I guess today is the day of the vacant houses, but this one was actually locked up. And I know that it was vacant because there's notices on the door, like somebody has already been gone for a long period of time, like the utility companies have already been out here, all of that whole deal. And so because of that, I'm going to have to do my research hat as well with this house and see if I can locate the owner to see what condition the house is in, see if I can get access, see what's going on with every bit of this house. Because I don't know if I'll have a deal unless I go in there and take a look at it, and also find out from the owners what's actually going on with this house. So I got to put my cap back on again, do some research, see if I can find the owners, and then after I do that and hear from them, I'll follow up with you guys and let y'all know if I heard from them or not, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, this one was also vacant, and so the next thing you'll see is a summary of everything that we did today. All right, y'all, we have come to the end of the day, so I want to quickly summarize for you everything that happened today. The first house that I went to, I discovered that it was absolutely vacant. And it's either one or two things going on with that house. Either they have completely just abandoned it, or it's up for sale. And so I still have my Sherlock Holmes hat on. I'm still trying to get some information on that property, because as soon as I find the owners, I would like to know what's actually going on to see if there's a deal that can actually be made. So hopefully my research turns out good and I'm able to locate the owners, find out what's going on, and create a deal. On the second house that I went to, man, that house, I saw nothing but opportunity, man. I'm here to tell you, because a lot of people don't see opportunity in houses like that. But I'm here to tell you, there is money to be made in houses like that. And so I'm still trying to find the owners. I'm still trying to get some information so that I can locate them and see if I can actually do a deal with them. And hopefully I can. And as soon as I do, I'm going to come back and let you guys know. But hopefully I can get information on that house and see if we can create a deal on that second house. And the last house that I went to, it was vacant. I couldn't even get in there, and you can tell that it had been winterized. You could tell that the utility people had been out there, because they had notices on the door and everything like that. And so I'm currently trying to find the owner information on that one as well, so that I can see the inside, so that I can see the condition of that house, to see if there is any possibility of a deal to even be made. because the margin on that deal is a little bit smaller than what I would normally have. And so I'm gonna need to see a lot better part of the house to see if there's a deal that can be made. So hopefully I get in contact with the owner so that I can see and get that information, and hopefully we can create a win-win scenario. All right? So with all that being said, as of right now, I haven't been effective in my prospecting as of today, but hopefully I can turn out some good research and get some deals done. Listen, y'all need to go ahead and stop playing, man. Keep on prospecting, man. I know it can seem discouraging. I know it can be frustrating, but listen, this is what we do. If you're gonna get into real estate and make it a career or be successful at it all the time, you gotta be out here putting in the work, man. And so keep going. I'm telling you, if you keep on prospecting, you are going to find your deals and they are going to benefit you. All right? Also, man, I got a class going on tomorrow, man. What y'all waiting on? Why don't you guys go ahead and sign up for the class, because I'm telling you, it is going to be an absolute benefit to you. And it's going on tomorrow at 2 o'clock, so don't waste any time. If you still want to get in and the registration is closed, listen, shoot me a DM. Let me know that you want to get in on the class, and I can show you how you can still get in on the class. But listen, don't put it off any longer. If you want to learn about real estate and real estate investing, you need to find yourself in those classes. I'm doing one more this month, and that's tomorrow, and then we're going to go into the next year and start doing the classes over again. So go ahead, sign up so that you can start real estate investing if that's what you desire to do. All right? Thank y'all so much for checking out this video today. Thank y'all so much for signing up for the classes. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for rocking with me all the way to the end of this video like always, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.